So I made a video this last weekend, and it's like and it stays in the same vein of my videos, like totally sucking. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it out or not, maybe. But anyway, I was watching this video, and these guys are, I watched lots of different YouTube channels, but these guys are like, you know, look at this new engine I got. Look at this new car. I just bought a Lambo. I did this. Can you imagine if Robin Leach, the guy that used to do Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous, can you imagine if he did like reviews on YouTube channels or YouTubers? Welcome to the Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous, where I'm going to show you engines and cars that you cannot possibly afford. It's rough, man. No, I'm not jealous of them. I'm not jealous of the stuff they're buying. But I am jealous that I was born in a time when YouTube, when I grew up and went on my racing and stuff, was during a time when YouTube didn't even exist. I'm jealous of the opportunity. I'm bummed out that there weren't video cameras and stuff around when the statute of limitations has run out on a lot of that stuff. But the other stuff, the cool stuff, it's just a bummer there weren't video cameras around. There wasn't a place to put it. No way to save the memories other than, and even that's getting fuzzy. I don't know.